This parrot has become a bit strange nowadays. I'm in love, oh I'm in love, and it's pulling me down. Like gravity, you're the center of my town.
Hey, Parrot. Do you have diarrhea?
Parrot, are you okay?
Yes, tell me, Luna, how do I look? Do you think a two-piece suit would suit me?
I'm craving some ice cream. Go quickly and get some for me.
I'll be back in a flash.
Come on, where are you, Fawn? I hope you didn't get lost out there chasing ice cream. This is taking forever. I wonder if parrots even like ice cream.
You're the most beautiful bird in the jungle. My heart is flying just for you.
Believe me, I am yours and only yours.
Oh, I would give my life for you. I will keep you happy. I will bring you ice cream. I'll be right back.
Where were you? Do you have any idea how worried I was?
I forgot.
I stood here for hours staring at the dark sky. Do you even realize how careless you've become? You don't care about anyone but yourself anymore. Why are you acting like this? Then stop worrying.
I'm not your servant, Luna. I'm done with this. I'm leaving. I don't exist just to run your